everyone, my name is Shrishti Balanwal and today I am going to show you upside down glass experiment. So let's start. We need a glass of water, a cardboard. So we have to fill the glass full of water and put up the cardboard on it. It happens because of the air pressure exerted on the glass from underneath is greater than the water inside the glass. This is why the card manages up to hold the water, not letting it. Thank you.
I am Nilesh Remy and I am from Standard 8. Today I want to show you an experiment and the name of the experiment is Upside Down Glass Experiment. So the material required for this experiment are one piece of cardboard, one glass and the glass should be full of water. The water should be at the extreme edge of the glass. And when you put the glass upside down, the water will not fall from the glass. So this is the experiment. Now I will show you this. Now see, I have put the glass upside down and the water is not falling from the glass.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to try a science experiment which is glass upside down experiment. So basically for this experiment you will need a glass of water like this, and then simply you just need to take a piece of cardboard, and then what you're going to do is keep your hand over the cardboard, flip it like this, and slowly take off your hand from the piece of cardboard like this, and as you all can see the glass of water is sucking the piece of cardboard. So this is how this experiment works. Thanks for watching.
I am Himanshi Mundra. I am from 8th standard. Today I am going to do upside down experiment. You need a glass, you have to fill water. Now keep the cardboard. This is because of air pressure. Air pressure outside the glass is greater than the inside of the glass, so the cardboard stays in its place. Hello everyone, my name is Jia Kothari. I am from Standard 8A. Today we are going to do upside down glass experiment. So we have to take one glass full of water and some cardboard. So it's fully filled now. Now we have to keep the cardboard so water will not come out.
Everyone, I am Dravijan from Standard 8. Today I am going to show you the experiment of atmospheric pressure. Now you want to take a glass and fill water till up. You can see this ring. You have to fill till here. Now you have to put cardboard on it and just press it for 2 minutes. Now you can see water is not falling because
Hello, I am Anaya from 8th B. Today we are going to do a science experiment about water pressure. So here we have a plastic bottle and we have made holes in that, and we have just secured it with a tape, and we have water and a container. Just the container is for if the water spills out, that's why. So now we are just gonna pour this. Pressure is low. When we go down, the pressure increases, and when we are at the up, like here at the top, then the pressure is low. So here it is coming fast at the last stream, but here it is coming very slow. So from this we conclude that water has more pressure at bottom and less pressure at top. Thank you.
My name is Kritika Kalwar and I am from Standard 8A. Today we are going to do pressure of liquid experiment. For this experiment, we need a container and a plastic bottle. In this plastic bottle, I have made 3 holes and stick sellotape. When I remove this sellotape, this is because water pressure increases when depth of water increases.
Hello everyone, my name is Barsa Jalvi from Standard 8A. Today I will show you on water pressure. So here I have taken a plastic water bottle which is easily available in market. Now I will pour some water in this bottle. As you all can see, the last stream is going farthest. It shows when depth of water increases, the pressure also increases. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanisha Jain from Standard 8B. Today I am going to show you a science experiment of level and pressure of water. For that, we need a plastic bottle, a sellotape, and a pin to make holes. So, as we saw that the pressure of the liquid increases.
Hello, my name is Sakshi Harishapuria from Standard 8th. Today I will show you a water pressure experiment. For that you have to take a plastic bottle and make a 4-hole and stick a sellotape and fill water till here. Remove this tape. You can see this. Again, I hope you can see this. It means when the depth of water increases, the pressure also increases. Thank you.
I am Shada Kejriwal from Standard 8 St. Soldier Public School. Today I am going to show an experiment on pressure of liquid. I have taken a bottle. Now I will do 3 holes in it. 1, 2 and 3. I will stick a sellotape upon it. I have filled the bottle with water. Now I am going to remove the sellotape. See. This jet is going far away from the bottle, whereas this is coming close to the bottle. From this we conclude that at any one level the liquid pressure is the same.
Hello, I am Bhavya Jagnani from Standard 8th. Today I am going to perform an experiment on density of water. We have 2 glasses of water, 1 bowl of salt, 2 lemons. Now first we are going to dip a lemon into the water. Add some salt into the water. Now we are going to mix it. We are going to dip the lemon in the water. Now you all can see that the lemon is floating on the water because in the second in which we have added the salt in that water, the density of water is more. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mayank Goyal from Standard 8B. Today we are going to perform an experiment. Here I have taken 2 glasses. One glass is filled with normal water and another glass is filled with salt water. Now I have taken 2 lemons. One lemon I will put in normal water glass and another lemon I will put in salt water glass. Can you observe something? And the lemon floats on the salt water. That means the density of water is more than the lemon. When the density of water increases, the Bion force also increases. And when the density of water decreases, the Bion force also decreases and hence the object sinks in the water. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, I am Harshita Jittu Manisha, 8th B. This is the experiment of lesson number 3. We will start the experiment. In first class, we will put lemon. In second class, we will put some salt. Into second class, lemon is floating up because the density of lemon is less than density of salty water. Thank you.
Hi friends, myself Heetsuri from Standard 8. Today I am going to show you an experiment of density. So let's start. Here I have taken 2 glasses of water, some salt and 2 lemons. So I will put this lemon in this glass. So here you can see the lemon has sinked in water. But in second glass I will put some salt. And and I will mix it well. So now I will put this lemon in this glass. So here you can see the lemon is floating. This is because of density.
Great respect to teachers and others. My name is Ranveer Jha. I am going to show you science experiment about water density. So, what will happen when we will put lemon into normal water and into salty water? So the materials required. Then we will put the other lemon into this water. What happened? Lemon will float on water because of the density of water increased by adding salt to water. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Sneha from 8th A and I am here to show water density experiment.
For this experiment, I have taken 2 glasses filled with equal amount of tap water, 2 lemons, little common salt and a stirrer. So first I will take this lemon and immerse it into the plain glass of water. As you can see, the lemon sinks into the water. Further I will add salt to other glass of water and stir it well. Now I will add this lemon to this solution of water. As you can clearly see, the lemon floats on this salt solution. This happened because water with salt is denser than plain water. Hence, lemon sinks in plain water. This experiment proves if an object is more dense than water, it will sink. Thank you for watching.
Hello, I am Harsha Mahendra Agarwal from 8A. Today I am going to do water density with lemon. For that we need 2 glasses of water, 2 lemons and salt. First, lemon. Now I am adding salt in water. I will mix it well. Now I am putting another lemon in the glass. We can see that the lemon is floating because the density of lemon